Hey y'all, it's your girl Queen, and today we're diving into something that's going to blow your mind. We're making custom crayon boxes, color pencil boxes, and pencil boxes using stickers you can design and print yourself. Whether you're a teacher looking to jazz up your classroom supplies, a mom wanting to make your kiddos feel special, a crafter ready to level up your game, or a small biz owner trying to add that perfect personal touch, this one's totally for you. But real talk, this is especially for all my busy mamas out there who don't have hours to spend on custom projects. I'm talking quick, easy, and absolutely doable. I cranked out all three of these beauties in just 30 minutes, and honestly, I was multitasking the whole time. Fast, fun, and wallet-friendly? Yes, please. Let's jump right in and make some magic happen. Okay, y'all. This was totally last minute. I wasn't even planning to film this, but I figured, why not bring y'all along while I work on something quick and cute? So for anyone who hasn't seen this before, we're making permanent vinyl covers for a crayon box, a color pencil box, and a plastic pencil box. Real simple, real fun. I started with the Crayola box, and the size I used is about 2.7 by 3.7 inches. Some people just round it to 3 by 4, and that works too. Just make sure none of your graphics are too close to the edges, which you should already be doing anyway. For this one, I went with strawberry shortcake because she's pink, she's cute, and the little girl I'm making it for, she's gonna love it because she is a pink girly. I even made a matching composition notebook, and that video is coming soon, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Now, I actually took the little girls' pictures and made the little girls look like Bratz dolls for the notebooks because why not make it extra? I found the original strawberry shortcake PNG on a free site. I think it was a link from Pinterest. Then I took it into ChatGPT and told it to make her brown, and boom, it delivered. I also had ChatGPT do her name, then used Canva to switch up the colors so everything matches perfectly. I really made this video for all the moms out there who've been seeing people do this and think, that's cute, but I don't have time for all that. But I promise this took me no time, and your kids can have something custom too. Easy. Now, I was gonna cut these out by hand, but let's be real, I think I'm gonna let the Cricut or the Brother Scan and Cut do their thing, especially since I gotta make some magnetic bookmarks anyway. And I am the worst at cutting with blades. So might as well make the machine do the extra work, not me. All right, I'm about to show y'all how I apply these, so stay with me and let's finish it up together. Almost forgot to mention, I got the Crayola box image right off the internet. I just Googled crayon box, clicked on the images tab, found one I liked, and did a quick screen capture. Super simple. Sometimes you don't need to overthink it. Just grab what works and make it cute. And by the way, you're gonna see me editing the images and adding a little shadow behind them that just helps give the design some depth so it doesn't look so flat. It's super simple. Just click on the image, hit edit, then go to shadows and pick the one that looks best to you. Easy. Now, if you're into stuff like this, editing in Canva, making avatars like mine, or you've ever wondered how I create the custom images you see on this channel, check out my other channel, AI Royal Creations. That's where I break down all the AI tools I use, including how to build avatars, design elements, and more. But if y'all want me to bring some of those Canva tips over here, just drop a comment and let me know. I'll put together a quick tutorial, no problem. All right, y'all, we're almost done. Now, you could totally make the characters and name into stickers and throw those on the box if you've got a cutting machine, or if you're just really good at cutting by hand. I get asked all the time if I use a Cricut machine. I used to, but now I use a Brother Scan and Cut. For this project, though, I didn't feel like pulling out the machine. So I got a little help from my crafting mom. Let's be real, I'm definitely not the best cutter. Your little queen is going to absolutely slay the school year with these personalized pieces. And busy moms, wasn't that so much easier than you thought? Quick, fun, and totally doable, even with your packed schedule. If you love this DIY tutorial, smash that like button and subscribe for more easy crafts that'll have your mini queen feeling royal. Drop a comment below and show us your creations. We can't wait to see how yours turned out.